Supreme Court today said that Sanjay Dutt, standing for elections, will set a bad precedent and open the floodgates for more people with criminal records to enter politics.
Well, Sanjay was convicted under the Arms Act in the Mumbai blast case of 1993, but was hoping to contest on a Samajwadi Party ticket from the prestigious Lucknow constituency. He says he will abide by the court's decision, but just who's going to replace him?
And you can read the judgment, but all I can say, I really respect the decision of the court. And I want to say one more thing is that I am not going to leave Lucknow. Lucknow मेरा घर है, चाहे मैं इलेक्शन लड़ूं ना लड़ूं, ये मेरे पिता का स्थान है.
An act of Gandhigiri, Munna Bhai accepting defeat. He will not be an MP, well at least not in these Lok Sabha elections. The Supreme Court rejected a petition filed by the actor, asking that he be allowed to contest, and said, the petitioner is a well-known cine artist. His father was also a well-known film actor and was deeply involved in politics. At one point of time, the petitioner's father was a minister in the Union Cabinet. The petitioner is not a habitual criminal, but we do not think it is a fit case where conviction and sentence could be suspended. The petition was severely opposed by the CBI, which told the court, allowing Sanjay to contest will open the floodgates to other candidates with criminal records being allowed to contest. Almost immediately after the verdict, with Sanjay out of the picture, the Congress announced that they will now put up a candidate from Lucknow.
You know, in view of his father, in deference to the respect to him, of course we thought that, we should not put up a candidate. The next move will be decided on merit.
The Samajwadi Party, who brought out Dutt like an ace in the polls, now have the tough task of finding a candidate that will give them the prestigious Lucknow seat. Will it be Sanjay Dutt's wife, Manyata, or the party's Rajya Sabha MP, Jaya Bachchan?
हमारा पार्लियामेंट बोर्ड बैठेगा समाजवादी पार्टी का और उसमें फैसला होगा कि उम्मीदवार कौन बनेगा.
Sanjay has been convicted under the Arms Act for 6 years in the 1993 Mumbai blast case. He is currently out on bail, but he is just one of many criminals who get tickets from political parties.
Sanjay Dutt can contest elections only if he is cleared of arms charges by the Supreme Court. For that, he will have to wait for a couple of years, as the Supreme Court is yet to hear appeals from more than 100 accused in the Mumbai blast case.
And in fact,